Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Steven Aldacco, and today we're going to answer the question, should you be hiking in sandals? If you're watching this video, you're curious about that question, and in today's video we're going to answer that for you. Is it worth it? Is it safe? All that and more. Stay tuned. If you like this kind of outdoor content, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and let's get to the video. So first off, we'll start with some of the pros of hiking in sandals. Number one, if it's a super hot day, it's going to keep your feet nice and cool and you won't get blisters from wearing socks. Number two, if it's a trail that has a lot of river crossings, you can make sure that your feet stay nice and dry just by wearing some sandals. Let's talk about some of the drawbacks. Number one, your feet are exposed. So if there's like a snake or something like that, or rocks, you can hit your feet and potentially hurt your feet. Number two, they're gonna offer less support than a traditional hiking boot, which is big and sturdy to keep your ankles nice and safe. Number three, if it's super cold and there's snow or mud, your feet are gonna get nice and dirty and it's not gonna be very comfortable in that situation. Look at this cute puppy, you guys. Take a look. We're gonna pass him right now. So cute. All right, I was distracted. What were we talking about? Oh yeah, hiking sandals. So I think the key thing about hiking in sandals is that it's situational. You want to make sure that you choose the right trail. So in a situation like today, it's nice and sunny out. I know the trail, there aren't very many rocks, it's nice and stable, there's no rain coming. This might be a good day to wear your sandals. On the flip side of that coin, if you find yourself in like rainy weather, or if you're not sure what the trail is going to be like, that's the day you might want to take your hiking shoes or your hiking boots. So I'd really love to know your thoughts. What do you think about hiking in sandals? Do you hike in sandals? Do you have a favorite pair? If you do, leave them down in the comments below. So today I have a pair of Merrell sandals on. I was attracted to these because they weren't too expensive, like 50, 60 bucks. And the sole of the sandal is designed by Vibram, and so far they're working out super great. I'm pretty happy with them and I'm excited to try a few more trails with them. If you want to check them out for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description below. That is an Amazon affiliate link, so I'll get a small percentage of that sale, which will go to support and continue to grow this channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more. And until next time, you guys take care, happy hiking, and we'll see you next time. Guys, I have a question. What do you think about hiking in sandals?